Hey everyone, and today I'm sharing with you this amazing brain development activity for kids aged 3 to 5. Amazing for the kids who are ready to go to nursery, preschool, LKG, UKG, and the kids who are home and the parents are wondering what are the activities that can be done. Very simple and easy to create. A complete DIY activity which can be easily created and definitely a printable is available for this online on my Etsy, and I'm going to be leaving the link below. You can find the same thing there. So let's get going. Let's look at the book. So we have different 16 topics in the book, and we have color and shape matching, sorting colors, matching shape color, find it, color the empty spaces, logical brain development matching, building pattern, left and right side, up and down, which is direction activity, picture identification, emotion color based sticker activity, brain development balloon color matching, eye matching, and free sticker pasting. So I had these amazing little frame stickers which I have created here, and the child needs to spot or match them. So it's a very simple but a great activity because you can see a lot of different patterns in each one of them, and it's a great way for child to look at them and just match. Then we have here connect all the yellow pictures with pink color, red pictures with orange, and blue pictures with black color. So you have all these three like the yellow with the pink color, so they are going to make sure that they are connecting each one of them with the pink color, just following these simple instructions. Parents, make sure that you keep the instructions very easy and try and do activities slowly and gently. We are not trying to overwhelm the child, but we are only presenting these activities as one of the activity throughout the day for them to experience and to explore a different side of just not just maths and alphabets or science or something. This is primarily to help them build concentration, sit down and enjoy a different way of just learning. All right, so we have Star Student Awards, have to team together, find the same ones and match. So of course, all of them are a yellow color sticker, but each band here has a different color. The similar one is somewhere here. So that's a red, blue, pink and green. The child has to match that. So please help the child to understand there is yellow and pink here, yellow and green here, yellow and blue here, yellow and red here. Let's find each one of them and connect. This is gray, this is color in the empty spaces. I tried using another one of my stencils and made sure that there's a big space for the child to color, and there are a lot of empty pockets here, and it creates a beautiful design and a pattern for the child to just color up and see. A fun activity here which is like find it. The picture is right here, which is a marshmallow stuffed like a graham cracker stuffed with marshmallow and chocolate, something that the kids really love eating, and there are a lot of them, something which is very similar as well, but this one is on a blue plate which is right here, and the child has to look at all these pictures and then find it. Here then you have matched the sticker pairs, the color stickers, and they have to match it. Complete the pattern by coloring the next color or paste the sticker. So they have to look at the pattern and find which is the next one, like gold, purple, gold, purple, gold, purple. The stickers are all in the sticker pocket right here. Each one of them are given, whichever one is needed. The child can pick it up from here and can very easily paste it here. All you have to do is just pick it up and give the child. Now this is left and right, match the correct one, the example is done. So all these pictures of the animals, the water animals, have been cut into left and right side. So the left side is here and the right side is here. The left side is here, right side is here. The child has to see which one goes with what, and then they have to just match it together. Like I have shown for the fish here. Now, up and down. The pencils are all up and down. Count the ups, cross the down. Two things here. Which ones are going up, which ones are going down. Cross out the ones that are down. Great way just to figure it out, the direction, who's going up, who's going down. Alright, various pictures match with their partners and example is done. So these two look similar and we are going to match them. These and this and this is similar. We are going to match them. So like this, it's a matching activity but in a smaller grade for the child to understand. Sticker pasting activity. Peel the correct color sticker under each. So the sticker is right here. I'm just going to show it to you. And this one is a red one. The child has to just pick up the red sticker from here and paste here. All the red ones are going to go here, pink ones are going to go here, orange ones are here, and it's a great smiley expression activity for kids to explore. I spy, match the eye, example done. So there are different kinds of eyes, and of course each one of them are very colorful and depictive. So I've made sure that I am doing one as an example, and the rest of them can be done by the kids. Balloons, catch them and tie them by matching. So of course I've used 3 of them. You might think that maybe your child is not ready to do this activity, and don't worry, because generally I keep the book as a progressive one and I don't start the activities to be very difficult. So by the time your child is able to do the front 2 or 3 activities, 4, 1, and gradually, because there are so many other things that children are doing, and then gradually they can graduate to this activity. And if you think it's not, you can still try and make with only 2 colors or maybe just 1 color. We can try and accommodate, always try and adapt the activity to your child's age and what you think your child can do. Or if you want to push a little, you can definitely add on and make it a little bit more complex. So here again 3 color and the child needs to find and match it. And this is a free sticker pasting page because there are a lot of stickers here and all the stickers are packed in here. So guys, if you loved my activity, make sure that guys you give me a thumbs up and please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Feel free to share whatever you think about the book, and if you have any more ideas, I'll be happy to hear in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.